Hey guys, what's happening? How to send Bitcoin to Phantom Wallet. You could go ahead and open up the Phantom Wallet and log in using your account. So I'm gonna verify via facial recognition, right? And I already have a wallet. Let's say, okay, let me create a new wallet. Okay, and I'm gonna confirm via, okay, yeah. I'm gonna move along, right? And hit yes. And then now you created your own wallet. Now, if you want to send Bitcoin to Phantom Wallet, first of all, prepare the address for the Phantom Wallet for that specific coin, which is Bitcoin. So I'm gonna hit receive, and I'm gonna select Bitcoin, right? And I'm gonna copy the address from here. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the different platform who supports Bitcoin or different trading different trading platform, right? Let's say Kraken, right? And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna verify via facial recognition, and then go ahead and select Bitcoin by clicking the portfolio right here, and then click Bitcoin, and then you can go ahead and click the three dots at the top right, and you can hit send to a Kraken user or withdraw to an external wallet. So I'm gonna withdraw, and I'm gonna of course select the network, in my case Bitcoin, and I'm gonna hit add new address from here, and I'm gonna paste the link that I copied from the Phantom Wallet and continue to send Bitcoin to Phantom Wallet. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next time.